Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am trying to clean my craft room today, but I came across a few items that are screaming like, hey, you've got to sit down and do a DIY. So I flipped on the glue gun and I'm going to get started, so let's see what we make. Alright, so this is quick, easy, $2, and it will be perfect for like a tiered tray or just to have out on like a little desk or something. So it is the Valentine's Day little mailbox, but it just sits there, and I just want it to be a little bit cuter. It says Happy Valentine's Day. And then we've got this guy. You can find these at Dollar Tree almost every day, all year. And we're just going to take this part off. I've got some ribbon. This is my Stampin' Up! Ribbon, but you can find your colors in whatever you'd like at any time, any place. Now, I could hot glue this on, but since it is tiny, I'm going to just use some double-sided tape on mine. And I don't have any well, I have my grandbabies, but I don't have any children or animals that are going to get into this. So I don't have a problem in using this double stick tape. So it won't get pulled off or anything. And I'm going to put that right up there. And then I'm going to do the same thing right down here as well. And you don't have to do this. I just wanted to give a little bit of embellishment on here. At this point is where I realize I probably need to have glasses on. I don't know. I always think I have these great eyeballs until it's time to start putting something exactly in proper position and line things up. Then I realize, no, I do not have perfect eyes anymore. That is a thing of the past. All right. Of course, we're going to get my little take your pick tool, because otherwise I can't get it out the way I need to get it. There we go. And I'm just going to take this here, and I want the top of the ribbon to be here because we will be hot gluing as well. And so if there's going to be any overhang, I want it to be below that top. And here I am again trying to get a straight line with no glasses you cannot see me, but I am frantically looking to see if I have any glasses nearby, and I don't see any. So, and I will get some little scissors here. And cut off any extra. There we go. Isn't that cute? This would be cute even if you just left it as is and wanted to decorate the way you'd like to decorate something like that, like a candle holder in maybe the colors of your theme of your home. Alright, so I'm flipping this guy over, and I'm going to do the exact same thing, but this time I don't want it to go above this portion because it will be sitting there, and I don't want it to be sitting on ribbon. So I'm putting this part of the ribbon all the way at the bottom. And there we go. And then again, I'm just going to cut that right off. Look at how cute. See, now wouldn't that be cute just like this? You could also put some gems around it. There's so many different ideas that you could do. Now, I could flip this over and do like that. That would be cute, but it sticks out the side. So I'm going to go with it back this way so that it's not sticking right out the side. Okay. So I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to put it right around the top on the inside, as close as I can to the inside because I don't want it overflowing. But you have to do it kind of fast. There we go. And I'm going to take this guy and stick it right in the center. Hope that was good enough. Yeah, it looks good. You may want to add a little more because it could not be very, very sturdy. But then you've got that. I will show you a nice picture. But then you can leave out a little note. Isn't that adorable? All right, beauties. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I asked you if you wanted to see more Valentine's DIYs, and I think this one is a cute one. So you can see I do have enough glue on there to so that you can't see it, but you could see that it is sticking. So we've got that there. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!